Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to edit a PDF file on your iPhone for free. So first, go to your files on your device, then open the PDF file that you want to edit. After that, you will see the pencil icon on the bottom, then tap the plus sign. You will see here options which are text, signature, and magnifier. So just tap on text and try to edit. For example is your name. Then you can drag this anywhere you want. Aside from this, there is also a website where you can edit your PDF file for free. So open your Safari and search for this link. So as you scroll down, you will see here the things that you can do with your PDF file. So let's try to upload our file. Don't worry guys, because this website is safe if you upload files with your information. Okay, so you will see here the options like adding text, adding links, and you can also add bullets and check marks. Here you can add image, and you can add here signature. So we also have here an eraser and a pencil icon for drawing or highlighting. Then you can also add shapes and arrows. So that's it guys, you may now fill up your PDF file for free and explore the options on your own. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.